In this video, I am going to show you how you can see the draft that I have on TikTok. What we have to do is make a random video on TikTok application. Select here, press in, and select a new video what you have uploaded. Next, and we can see this option settings and press in only you and public. The video once it lost will be published, but only you be able to see in your life. What we are going to go over life here and hang on a minute. Okay, we can see private video upload, and that's here. And if you want change the public is press in, select three dots and add settings, and we can see the option for public. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content.